Alright, guys. Now we're going into blood. We're talking about blood. We're talking about the liquid of life. Oh, time to start. Blood. Blood is a liquid tissue that carries oxygen, nutrients, and immune cells. It also stops bleeding when we get injured. I'm going to This is a brand new marker, Bubs. I'm going to work it. Well, forget that. Okay, sorry. I'm getting ready. There we go. Blood is made out of plasma and it's made out of cells. Plasma is about 55% of blood. Cells are about 45% of blood. So a little bit more plasma than blood. Plasma is mostly water. It's about 90% water. It also has proteins like albumin, which keep blood pressure stable, globulins, which fight infection, fibrinogen, which help with clotting, and plasma also carries electrolytes and nutrients and hormones and waste. This is a red blood cell. And it's going to the spleen or the liver. Red blood cells live about 120 days. Old cells are removed by the spleen or the liver. Macrophages break down the hemoglobin into globin and heme. Globin becomes amino acids for new proteins. Heme is split into iron, which is reused, and bilirubin, which is sent to the liver and excreted in bile or urine. This is a blood vessel. When a blood vessel is injured, we've got a little cut in our blood vessel, the body stops the bleeding in 3 ways. Step 1 is vasoconstriction. The vessel narrows to slow the blood flow. So it's a little bit ching, 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 ching. That. Step 2, the platelets stick together at the damaged area and they form a plug. They release chemicals that bring more platelets to the site. So there's our platelets. Step 3 is coagulation. The proteins that cause clotting create fibrin, and which stands and fibrin strands that strengthen the plug. The coagulation cascade has 3 pathways: intrinsic, extrinsic, and common. They all meet at factor 10, which is the common pathway. Everything after factor 10 is the common pathway, which makes thrombin, and thrombin turns fibrogen into fibrin and forms a stable clot. The When the vessel heals, the clot is broken down, and TPA turns plasminogen into plasmin, which digests fibrin and dissolves the clot. Blood, this is a very simplistic, general version telling us how of the blood is a very complex system. This is very simplistic of our complex system that transports oxygen and nutrients, fights infection, and stops bleeding. Has this amazing ability to heal itself.